everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am doing some cutbacks here in my garden in Central North Carolina Zone 7. Specifically, this video is all about cutting back tropicals. These are bananas. This is actually a hybrid Musa velutina, maybe Musa baju, I'm not exactly sure. It's been hardy for more than a decade, but this year, because of the holiday freeze, it's died all the way to the ground, which it hasn't done in a really long time. And therefore, it's left me a huge mess. These stalks are wet and gross and heavy, and I was trying to cut them with my normal hand pruners, and it was not working. So I'm hoping that these amazing Akatsun head shearers are going to be the solution. So let me just try real quick extemporaneously. Well, it's not foolproof, but it's definitely better than my hand pruners. So I'm going to get busy chopping all these stalks away, carrying them off to a compost pile, because right now, the way they are folded over, they're actually covering up poppy seedlings, and God forbid I lose any poppy seedlings, because I've lost enough because of the holiday freeze. So I'm going to put it on time lapse and get busy snipping away. Well, what a transformation. I feel like I have a whole new bed that I get to start playing in. Now, I've had some pretty big weed infestations that I've just been pulling out, specifically lamium, vetch, and a really aggressive spreading veronica. So I'm just spending some time getting all of that cleaned up, and I'm gonna just leave this bed as it is for now, and I'm not gonna overseed. What I'm going to do is get started on seeding more heading vegetables in trays. So broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kohlrabi, and then when those plants get big enough, I'll be able to transplant them out here. So that's the cycle now that we're in the middle of January. I'm gonna go ahead and sow those seeds probably this afternoon, so look for that video. And I bet it'll be late February into early mid-March before those heading vegetables actually get planted into the ground. Just so you have some concept of the cycle of these cool season vegetables. And of course, weather is a huge component that causes all kinds of stress and anxiety. So anyhow, be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. And I will definitely look forward to sharing more updates with you as I continue making progress here in my home garden and getting ready to embrace the new growing season ahead. So thanks so much for watching, everybody.